In a world where interaction matters, enhancing your live experiences is key. Livestorm integrates seamlessly with various tools, turning ordinary webinars into extraordinary events. Let's explore how these integrations can elevate your performance and reporting. Imagine connecting your Livestorm events with HubSpot. New registrants instantly become contacts in your CRM. Forget tedious CSV exports. Experience automation that simplifies your workflow. Next, let's tackle Salesforce. Push leads directly from Livestorm to Salesforce. By syncing events with your sales efforts, you can drastically speed up closing cycles. Marketo is another great integration option. Send contact data directly after actions occur in Livestorm. By doing this, your marketing efforts become more precise. With Marketo, syncing data becomes effortless. You'll gain greater control over campaigns and meaningful insights into your sales and marketing. Zapier opens the door to over 3,000 apps, enabling further customization and automation possibilities. Integrate your Livestorm account effortlessly and watch your data flow through your marketing stack. Need to reach international audiences? Connect Livestorm with Interprify for live interpretation in multiple languages. Break down language barriers and broaden your reach. Presenting? Our PowerPoint integration allows you to share your slides seamlessly during events. Collaborate efficiently with team members and create engaging presentations. Don't forget about Google Analytics. Simply paste your tracking code and start monitoring your webinar's traffic instantly. Finally, integrations like Slack and Google Sheets help manage communication and data effortlessly, ensuring no detail gets overlooked. To wrap up, Livestorm's integrations empower you to optimize every aspect of your events. Enhance participant experiences, streamline data processing, and elevate your marketing efforts. Start integrating today. Visit Livestorm's website to explore all available integrations and unlock the full potential of your webinars.